Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, this problem says the graphs of two functions, f of x and g of x, are shown below. F is the red one, g is the blue one. Write a function formula for g using f, and then we're going to do the vice versa. Okay, now what has happened with this from f to g is that you have shifted it sideways and up or down. So that's called transformations. And there are other transformations besides just shifting. These are called a vertical shift and a horizontal shift. We'll talk about the horizontal shift first. That means just like picking the graph up and scooting it left or right. You will know it because the number will be grouped with the x. You'll have a number in there, and it will either be a plus that number or minus that number. It will either be in parentheses or it will be under the square root symbol or inside absolute value bars. Anyway, that is a horizontal shift. It moves it left or right. And you would think a plus would move it right, but it doesn't. A plus sign is going to move it to the left, and a minus will move it to the right. Okay, this has also been moved up or down. That's called a vertical shift. You will know it because you'll have your function, blah, 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 whatever, and then you will have a number outside the function, either added or subtracted, and that is a vertical shift. And this does what you would think. A plus sign is going to make it go up, and a minus sign is going to make it go down. All right, so we are going to compare G to F. So I'm going to describe G in terms of F. Okay, to get to G from F, I'm starting with F. And, the one good place to look is that vertex right there. What's happening to that? Well, it has gone 2 places to the right. And I know that if I want to show that, it's going to be x minus 2 in parentheses. And it has also gone down 1. And that gets it right there. So that's how you write that in terms of F. And then it says, start with G and describe F in terms of G. So if I start with, if I start right here, then what has happened? To get to the red one, I have to go to the left 2, so that's x plus 2. And then I have to go up 1. And that's how you use transformations. Okay, this one went 2 to the left and up 1. That's how you use transformations to write functions in terms of other functions. I hope that